Today could mark a major turning point in the race for a coronavirus vaccine. An FDA committee will vote on emergency approval for this vaccine, and if approved, tens of thousands of doses could reach our county as soon as this weekend.
Yeah, that's some light at the end of the tunnel, right? News 8's Chris Groh live in Chula Vista with a closer look at what's ahead here. We are also hearing from a San Diegan who took part in Pfizer's vaccine trial. Good morning to you, Chris.
Good morning, and he feels like he's actually one of the very few lucky ones that actually received the vaccine and therefore not even having to wait for it to be approved. He's taking a lot of the news that he's seeing about the efficacy, the fact that we've already seen it be rolled out in the UK, as good news that he already got the vaccine.
For us to be able to take this vaccine and get back to our normal way of life is really what we need to strive for.
And that's the hope there from everybody, I would think. And that's Eric Castillo. Now, he and his wife took part in Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine clinical trials. And Castillo, an essential worker, believes that he received the actual vaccine, not a placebo, based on some of the side effects that he had. And some of those side effects also confirmed to us to be side effects of the vaccine. So let's start with what's happening today. That independent advisory board will be meeting and then eventually voting on this Pfizer vaccine about whether or not to approve it. And then what happens after that? About 40 million doses of the vaccine will be released to the rest of the world, and 20 million people will be vaccinated, because remember, this takes 2 doses spread out about 3 weeks away. And initially here in San Diego County, we could see more than 28,000 doses here released. Critical healthcare workers and then those in long-term healthcare facilities would be the first to receive it.
And it is going to take many months before it is widely available to the public, and we think over that time frame, confidence will rise.
Yeah, and according to Operation Warp Speed, that time frame for the general public to get it could be sometime in the summer. Now, back to those side effects that Castillo experienced. He said he experienced bone chills and a slight fever, though he did eventually get over that. We did hear from county health officials that those are indeed some of the side effects of the vaccine.